Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today we'll discuss about relation between 1 electron volt and 1 joule in atoms chapter. And this is also very much important in binding energy numericals in MSET and NEET problems. You can see on the board, we know what is electron volt. See, generally in atoms we'll be measuring this electron volt and million electron volt, that is binding energy and another thing. Okay. Now we all know from our electrostatics chapter, W is equal to VQ, that is work done in moving unit positive charge from infinity to the required point against the electrical field VQ. So here ఏమైంది, what is V? 1 volt, and what is Q? Charge of 1 electron. Therefore W is equal to V 1 volt into Q. Q means what? E, charge of 1 electron. So 1 volt into charge of 1 electron. Therefore W is equal to 1 EV. So put it as equation 1. Now coming to what is E enti? Charge of electron, electronic avesham. Enta value 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Therefore W is equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs into 1 volt. Therefore W ante endi? W is equal to 1.602 10 power minus 19 volt coulomb. But what is 1 volt coulomb? 1 volt coulomb and enta? 1 joule. Scientist name, MKS unit or SI unit. Therefore, ఈ రెండు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, 1.602 in 10 power minus 19 volt coulomb. 1 volt coulomb అంటే 1 joule. So 1.602 in 10 power minus 19 joules. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్ చూడండి, ఈక్వేషన్ 1, ఈక్వేషన్ 2 both represent W. అర్థమైందా? Therefore, ఈక్వేషన్ 1 is equal to ఈక్వేషన్ 2. Therefore, 1 EV, 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules. లేదా మిలియన్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ వోల్ట్ కావాలనుకోండి, 1 మిలియన్ అంటే ఎంత? 10 పవర్ 6. 10 పవర్ 6తో మల్టిప్లై చేసేయండి. అప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతుంది? 1 MeV is equal to 10 పవర్ 6తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మైనస్ 19, 6 ఎంత అవుతుంది? మైనస్ 13. సో 1.602 in 10 power minus 13 joules, which is equal to 1 MeV. These are very much helpful in doing numerical problems for MSET and NEET. Okay, right.